And you know, say as usual, we'd always open and spread our arms
Yes,
to welcome the housemates when they pursue come on, say your time don't do, come they go. Yes, now. So una don't try. 9 weeks, Abi.
9 weeks, so
9
out of
weeks
10
not be
weeks.
joke. So people come out 2 weeks later. They all go there, go watch film. Come on, you get me. So they did I'll call them the 3 Musketeers then, and they did the studio here right now. We get Sheks, we get Groovy, we get the one and only Hemi is the beauty, one of the energy
guys.
Energy, fully body. Don't they give us already here live and direct? And in the next couple of minutes, we'll get to yarn with them, get to know how their time and experience be inside the Big Brother house, and at the same time, waiting the next from them after they don't come up for this major platform. You get me.
Oh yeah, now maybe start with Hermes, the energy god.
Come on.
Oh yeah,
Before we start, for those who never sabi us, now see money runs we day into. My name now Ron.
And my own name now Becca Bleed.
So welcome to Naija FM.
Thank you.
It's a pleasure to be out here. Okay. We don't reach here. We speak English, speak the other one. So no verse. I don't speak this English for too long. Complex.
Say for inside the house, if you like say now you, a lot of people like most. Because I want ask you, because when they even tell people, or when they tell us people where they work from us say it's time. Emmys, you are evicted from the Big Brother house. A lot of people say it's a joke. It's a lie. It's a joke. It's a lie. So what thing about you make you they so much different? Maybe say the people for house they too love you.
Me na natural energy, na organic, and this thing where they talk, say Emmys is all of us. You not get time we're not talking individuality, collective capacity. You understand? So I just feel like say the kind of thing where I carry good here. Plenty people, especially young people, now we food this Naija.
Yeah.
You understand? It don't get everything they take understand us. Me, it can't be like say Sabi explain the thing where they do. People come they see and say, now so me say like you can't be like say I go stand on top everybody matter say nothing. We do understand us, they explain us, what in the store, based on as they go. And I feel like now it work out for me with that. But as I come my way, I see people love me. I don't believe I know life for it because
I think you be one of the housemates we not go dab. So when you say you go there, go be the real you.
People they ask me say
you bring your real way come.
Bro, as at the end they ask me to be strategy. I just wonder what you say. I suppose
bring
strategy
come.
I suppose
but you
strategy.
suppose not say that they bring strategy come.
I don't know. See my life. See when I don't. You not get strategy.
No, even you for real life.
Not be street with that. You don't understand. You work out, but you look like me. You don't get strategy. So I don't feel like my life na strategy. So I don't need to do another thing.
At the point when I get evicted from the house, when I expect it come as a shock to now, or you have to say, oh, it's a bad time.
I don't try. Make I
from
go.
Groovy.
Shout out to everybody where they listen. Now your boy Groovy. The team boss my head. I not go lie because I don't they talk from the day where I enter the house. Even before I enter the house, say the boy go like me count to the finale. I even talk say the boy go like me. But you know say ambitions when you want to enter show and then when you enter the show you can see say you dey surrounded by 27 other amazing housemates. Obviously everybody get their dreams. Everybody they do their thing. But I still stand my ground. I still believe in my own pay. And everybody journey go day different. Shey you get. My own journey no go dey the same. My own experience no go dey the same with MS, no go dey the same with Sheks. But just with the two man them, I just feel like say them they're amazing their own way. Okay. And even though the journey they cut short, 9th week na still blessing. This thing no easy to be honest. It bust my head. I mean I realize the impact as I come out. As I fall they see the love, the support for my people groovers. Every single minute I no feel forget to mention.
But you feel so you show the real you inside the house.
Yeah.
And you make good use of the time.
People they talk all this strategy thing. Myself, I know even the reason me, I just come into that house and make I just experience and make I just level up, make I just give my all in every single thing where they happen. And obviously some things go up where we say now on a natural P, you know go expect make it happen. We
go reach those things, not rush past your shadow.
I saw Dara go soft. But if I reflect on my time, man, for week 1 I had the blast. I mean the first house we enter the house now. Unforgettable experience. I had the I enjoy myself now.
Share drop mic to you. You blessed they don't want share say for with the ask some serious question because I know saying the day come they try to one day reserve. Not the day you lose share you push it. You get me? Like Koyi then you be Mr. Koyi, you understand? Within your region you're losing up. You get me? So to you Sheks right now, it come to you as a shock. Say you get evicted. Draw the mic to you. Draw enough here.
Week 9 is a massive blessing, as I always say. I'm feeling super blessed that I spent 9 weeks in the Big Brother house. And yeah,
You be expect to stay that long?
who, me?
Yeah.
Of course. Like, why not? Like, of course, you know, like Shegs FC, my family, 100% knew they were going to push me and keep me there as long as possible.
Yeah.
I think we only missed it by a little bit. It's unfortunate that we didn't get to the final.
Wait, you know they speak pidgin, bros?
Who, me?
I bet try
I
for
feel speak
us.
pidgin
Hey,
now,
run
bro.
out with us that you don't do when I dey try drag myself here.
so now,
Talk to us in pidgin, yeah?
But yeah, honestly, like, you know, big blessings to be there till week 9. And it's one of them where I'm just super excited that I'm outside, and I'm outside with the best guys. I feel like God wrote this story.
Okay.
My brothers, I'm outside with them.
They know they talk to you anyhow outside the house, which I believe say you don't see right now. Your fan base and your relationship fan base, they choke people. So somebody be there see that same energy is supposed to vote for you. Knowing fully well, say out of the 3 point fall out right now, you get the lowest vote. You know, if you say that noise, your fan base day, but when it comes to voting, they don't they run out.
Nah, you know what? Yeah, I feel like my brothers are like amazing guys. I feel like Groovy and Hermes. So if the voting structure, I think it was 13, 14, 15%. I don't think there was that much between us. And you know, I'm just excited that I've got a good fan base in Shegs FC. I think my brothers have got good fan bases as well. And it's like, let's get it. When we went into the house, we didn't have a fan base.
Because your fee say the money when they carry take buy iPhone for you, take dash you, and what did they do for her
They
again?
give him iPhone.
That's supposed to take vote for you, may stay the house.
You know,
may win the money.
You know the thing. Yeah, the thing is just that, like, so many people didn't make it to week 9. So if Shegs FC got me to week 9, like
They don't
they've
try.
done
try.
everything. Do you know what I'm saying?
Now
They're
why
right.
they compensate you with that iPhone?
It's
But
not-
really, now really fan buy that phone for you. I've been just all those side attraction and more quick do so that made the rest they move.
You know,
to
like
buy.
I was out last night with the boys.
Yeah.
Like, I was out and I got back to the hotel and I just got surprised. I knew nothing about it. So, you know, I'm just really blessed to have that sort of following, that sort of family. You know, the people that
to make sacrifice to buy iPhone 14 now waiting now. I'm 1.8 too.
And you know what I want to say as well, yeah, if just keeping it honest, I feel like the final, you have Fina, you got Brian, you got the most important finest ever, Big Bella. So, you know, like us being out just before them, those are our people and we're just supporting them, you know.
Okay. Hems.
Witness up, maybe witness up.
You feel say you make good use of your time there, right? And the eviction they expected or you not expected?
You not get you not shock. It shocked me. But somehow it's something won't stop. God, it does tell you, say just ready your mind. Like as Ibuka just stand for that stage, we just say next housemate to be evicted. It just get my body just sweet me. I just started laugh. Like I don't know, say as he call my name, it shocked me because I feel like say I don't overdo for that house. And I don't know it in the fan base, but I know say I'm voting and they keep person. Me to be honest, it be like say the thing we saw between level 1, level 2. Based on say we don't put them up, they don't build wide fan. People don't vote. They don't vote for them. Before people started the vote for us, before people even gather, and that's in a process. People
So if you say that one are cheating,
not be cheating, I just process like
or they give them more leverage ahead of una.
now we give them, we put them on. The people will remain constant
stand
on top of the thing. You don't understand? They don't have people don't know how to run them back to back. The time where you can't be like say people don't love me, you can't be like say the love can't be like votes, but people know the vote, but the love plenty, and our votes now they keep person inside. But you not get what God know they do. This one I God plan. They work for me.
Okay, now God plan. Groovy, may we come to you now. You be there the other house for a long time before they come merge now together. So we did twist where we say Biggie carry come this season. You like the twist at all?
The thing, I don't go lie you, I go always say the thing boss my head. Big Brother they always boss people head. You know, if you think say maybe this season 6 go day different, you go enter season 7, we can see another this thing. Now the show be that I don't be fan of the show for the longest time. I don't watch the show even when they Big Brother Africa. Sure you get. So you know, just massive, just big ups to them to they step up the game every single time. The last thing with me I been expect be say I go enter house, come they divided from level 1 and level 2. You understand? God they see my guy. So we say we don't born for 1 week before we enter the house. We can't compete against each other to survive. You know that kind of thing. You know, so sometimes even in the spirit of the old friendship thing, you go just find say that competition to survival of the fittest. They always bring out competition. They bring out some kind of the beast in us and all those kind of things. So I'm just very crazy dynamic, and I just did very glad and just very blessed to be part of them. Because as far as MS they talk say they don't they put us up and we don't they reduce to numbers. Even when we come merge, they can't be 14. We can't be like say we be 7.
Now
they're gonna go do fake eviction for me. Sure you get. So I mean, can be the one we can make them 21. Sure you get. So now just amazing thing. I just did glad to to be part of that major and to come see as everybody come come they bring their own relationship and everything, and the friction still there, nonetheless between the level 1 and the level 2. Want to say waiting they don't do us, and maybe then they feel like say those of us will remain now we strong. You understand? But and we know I don't even talk for waiting they happen for outside. I just believe in my own game and waiting they happen, waiting that they do, and like I talk say I don't feel regret any of my experience for there because it was a wonderful
nice
thing.
relationship wise. Some people feel say now because you dye your hair pink now make you feel the jump from one babe to another. Because you do one babe and Vita Gua, you don't date the next one. People two men call the quarrel over your matter. The one when they say me go toast you for herself. They come be like so now fall in love. And somehow this una when they beat be like the people when be used to one get stable relationships. Like the two of them when they right now. You Groovy, Shakes relationship now the most talked about relationship that he has. Which we go to very soon. Then him so they send his wife come out last time. Helps are baba for the guests already. I think that is sing that song, bro. And I like the fact say helps an example of how Nigeria is supposed to be because be hypo. My sister take okay.
Nah, hypocrite.
Diana own, not
hypocrite.
Hypocrite, have an example of how Nigeria not supposed to be. They the level of hypocrisy you get because it come say, oh, I got two babes, but Alice, I like you, roll with me, you get me, and somehow the two of them find balance. You get, we go reach a relationship. Now you personally Groovy, Fina, you how you go take define on a relationship? You feel say na first relationship when it happen because the person when it truly be like. Don't discharge commodity building or not just cold weather.
Okay, with the thing we happen with me and BT, I could just make them very quick. The thing as the thing started is sweet. Things can happen, can stop. We move on from that one. But until what thing happen with me and Fina, I just believe in a normal this thing. Not just two people. We just they gravitate towards each other. We always use that. You
know even more the living of beauty before you move on to Fina.
The thing be say regarding that matter with beauty, as I they talk because it's in a sensitive situation. She get. A lot of things happen, a lot of things up. We say I know say a lot of people don't watch, and we don't need to bring up all the wars and all the exchanges
now
and
why
everything
you
we
happen.
I know a lot of things. Now why they talk say concerning all this is where they don't talk regarding that whole situation. She get. I just feel like say as I they talk, it is what it is. You understand? Everybody guys they responsible for their action because me Seva Biado she said she be.
Aside the house between Fina and Beauty, if you say you go feel continue with.
Fina.
Possibility.
Yeah, Fina.
Beauty again.
Now Fina because as I come up for the house, we say I don't even expect. We still day together. Nothing happen.
And you see the express love inside the house.
Nothing happen between both of us. So obviously when we come outside, a lot of things go there we need to analyze concerning the relationship because relationship for I go tell you as housemate, it different.
Because now you be hot boy or other better.
It different. And as for the pink hair, I don't need that my pink hair no be to do. Anybody will be say don't go across my socials even before my socials.
No, we just be saying now you're charming.
Yeah, now my so you forget you leave the body. You focus on the hair. I don't know if my head be like touchlight where they say that they see for dark or any kind of thing, but I just believe say the boy fresh and the boy they educated, the boy sabi, the boy they know waiting
and
they suffer
sing too.
The boy sabi sing, the boy gonna sabi act again. So now God now waiting people that they do to people, they highlight things.
All right, so we all know about your relationship. Maybe say you get where.
Church, drop mic to yourself. Let me drop mic to her. Yeah.
Okay, with Big Bella inside the house. So a lot of us, maybe say we watch the show from outside. We they feel say really let make Bella mix with the other housemates the way we say she supposed mix up with the other housemates. Both of now they always date together like almost every time. So for we know feel say Bella really bring out more of our personalities with other housemates.
Use your love and relationship. That Bella doing.
So what do you get about that narrative about you?
I just listened to you speak and. Whilst I was listening to you speak, you know what you said? You said that we were always together.
Yes.
I'm just shocked that I didn't come outside and people are not saying I wasn't mingling with people and Bella wasn't mingling with people as well. Why are people saying that I was hindering her from mingling with people? We both did not mingle that much. We were always together. When you meet someone that you really care about in that sort of environment, sometimes you're just so about this love that you found that you're just constantly with that person spending time together.
Love that you found? Was the whole arrangement between you and... Bella not be strategy now real like it was real.
Yeah, like I can't wait for her to come outside. I think it's so disrespectful to this woman. Like even coming to Nigeria because I'm super Nigerian, but I spent time in England as well. Coming into the show and I'm hearing that apparently I came in the show and it was a strategy. Like I think it's just
No.
Let me finish. Give me a chance.
Sincere.
Just give me a chance to finish,
Yeah.
bro. You asked me a question.
Yeah.
This is a super beautiful woman. I don't understand. This is a super beautiful, smart woman from an amazing family. Why is it that? As in, who no go like him? Why does that need to be a strategy? Like it cannot even be.
Because
she's
for
too
the
fine.
past, now normal strategy people take. The only people who don't come outside don't still manage whole their relationship. I think Baba and Teddy. And we know how.
And I have a reply for you. Yeah. To that. I have a reply for you to that. Yeah. It's because of stuff like this. So Bella and I, we have an amazing relationship. That's my best friend. Look at what I'm coming out to. Then she's gonna come out in a few days. She's coming out to this. You guys want to pull us apart. Like that's what the media's doing.
No, we just ask clarification.
That's how I'm feeling. Because
you they feel like that. Don't be say they right checks. You get me? Right. Now what you will see inside the house. Now why would they ask this question? Whether you like it or not, from the very first season, even before Big Brother and Big Brother Africa, relationship are one of the most use strategy and it work.
Yeah.
Because now you carry your own fan base and this one fan base together. So when voting come, these two fan base they vote for you or the two individuals. You get me? So it's not as if na bad thing. We just they want declare was it a strategy or was it real? Why ask that question? Because you say you found love and I be like, wow, inside Big Brother house, is this another Bamba and Teddy? Because I not use you and Erica and Kidwaya to make example. All of us know the turnout of what happened after the house. You get.
Bro, honestly speaking, like that's really my best
true
friend.
Love.
I feel like super blessed to Big Brother for giving me the opportunity to be on the show. Also super blessed to meet her on the show. Yeah. I really hope the world
marriage is coming. I plan our marriage.
I hope the world.
The problem now whether you agree give me invite again for this question where I asked.
I hope the world actually gets to actually see that, like, you know, the type of person I am. Like, I'm real to all my guys. You see, these are my guys here, Hermes and Groovy. Everybody saw how much love I had from them from day one. You look at my diary sessions, I never put them up ever.
Yeah. True about that.
I never ever put them up. When I spoke about Hermes all the time, I said Hermes' way is different, but he always delivers. So, like, I'm a real G, bro. So if I see a girl and I tell her I love her,
apart from them,
I know if Jones person.
So true love, like Bella. So apart from that, right now, who you feel say you get good relationship inside the house? Because we notice a lot of counter when you get with other housemates, but the one when they evicted and the one when they still manage it right now.
Honestly speaking, like you know, being in the house and coming outside is different. I feel like coming outside, I have love for everybody. This is like actually 27 other people that have experienced the same thing I experienced. You know, all our lives have changed. Like, it's so amazing. So I feel like even, you know, the problem, bro, like say me and you get a problem and then 2 days later we're cool. 2 weeks later we're cool. But you don't know what's going on Twitter, what's going on outside. So it's like people ask me about it differently. That's what I got love for you, Yoruba boy in the final. Why not, Baba? Give them. If you win, you win. So I feel like people don't know that. People are holding on to stuff. I don't have beef with anybody. I have love for everybody, and I'm just like, I just want to see everybody win. Generally speaking,
Sure. Okay.
Oh yeah, now MS. Let's go.
When you saw, Mike don't reach my side.
So you know, so as you carry this energy inside, you know, the Big Brother house, you know, most of your presentations, even some of the tasks people say now they do, you they win. So like 4 weeks ago, we can't feel say. You be like say that's energy god. It all the the energy don't they voltage don't they drop small. So now the people where they look from us or they were watching now for us they talk say since you don't enter relationship with Alice, you know, say love don't make your productivity.
Don't make me like
you understand? You know, say because you entered as a lion. So by the time you don't they reach like some weeks after the lion don't they turn to another animal.
So you see as that thing in a non lie, not true is up. But make I can't explain within soap.
Okay.
So I did very intentional when I entered the house. Now 1 man, 100 million, everybody they gone for. Now which time they push be that. And because I did focus, now where I throw all my energy with that, all the energy where I get. You see that Alice singer, I love am dead. Since day 2. Monday after Sunday, now them tell her saying that this thing is up. It take her 4 weeks to consider her. The moment when she consider her, you see that energy. Because I want to tell this woman say she be queen and she deserve all that treatment. You see all that energy.
You carry and relax, sacrifice
so,
you make for love.
Don't even sacrifice yourself. And besides, even at that point, they don't measure us. I don't look. I want to hear the way people where they put up feel. I can't the reason say they be human beings. Someone wants some kind of thing. Make her refocus energy. And this one don't become important. So that one day important. I still they fight. And we tell you say relationship no be something if you make me collect 100 million. You know, especially with the way I focus on her. Yeah. So that same focus, that same energy, they very intentional. I won't let this woman know that day for her. So I go wake up, cook for her. You make me like say I soft. I'm not soft. I throw the energy into everything I want. You understand?
You channel the energy.
And after I don't establish that one, the energy not come back. And I want to say not come back for where we want go. It's a body, you not go anywhere.
Just for clarification's sake, you just talking about love right now, and how Alison be your queen. But before you enter the house, you get 2 queen already.
Yeah.
Now this is not the 3rd queen. I hate to number women, but
no number.
No number. I prefer to ask her.
You not get number.
I know they use second wife. Another woman. You get me. Because I feel it's more better because no human be supposed to be numbered. Now you get another. You get me. You feel say for fish share the love when you just us again and for all of them.
Me na love. We don't see energy. They not be cheap and finish. Where they want start from? And besides, I be my own person. Like I still get work where I want to work plenty. Like see, I carry the entire this emissary, all of us. This is not beans. I carry everybody for head. All the young people we don't do the kind of thing we don't struggle. The kind of thing we don't struggle. I carry them for head. I want people from where we say everybody will stand see on their own. Make kings and kings. Make queens. All of everybody stand. Make everybody day.
So if you get more queen, more queen.
No. Chill. Make I can't answer that question now. You see the queens where I deal with. They establish everybody in a decision to deal with everybody, and we establish and say everybody go grow, go become different people over time. Say we go give ourselves space to understand each other as we grow. That applies to me too. So as I grow, they go hold space for understanding, to understand what I don't grow into, and it's always an open door. Anybody will feel like say it did too much for them to handle. I'm not be caged.
Not be caged. You
understand?
Free to go.
I want you see. Nobody say I won't give you love. I get love to give, and the love where I go get to give, I go build them. So I go tell you what it mean for me to get love to give. And you go tell me what it mean for you to get love to give, and I go respect them, and I go support what you want love yourself as, and not forgive you love.
I just wonder when this decision, when you arrive at this decision.
My plenty that journey. If you talk, I know end. So we could just leave on for that side. To be honest, and right now on top Alice matter. Me, I did radio.
She come.
And we never get that conversation. We never yarn that. We don't check up on each other, but we never yarn that. Yarn plenty yarn talk now, bro. So until we don't yarn that yarn, we beg before you go cut me. I need to say this thing. I mean, I get off my brother back.
Which brother?
This boy shakes. Then set template. So if you say even me take me 4 weeks to meet up that template. This boy carry Bella for head inside the house. I don't know what's in the air. 24-hour show. No be shakes and Bella show. You know they talk and since. This boy carry love.
Okay, now why shakes they come since? No.
Shakes carry. See, I need to talk this thing clear.
These questions. See, whether you like or not, they must be asked. Now for you to decide to answer or not answer respectfully. Bro, that's the best you feel do for yourself. I tell you, this is not just like the second media
for this building.
For this building now. The third now for today. There are more coming. I talk to you as my guy, man. They must ask this question. I'm going to just either decide not to answer or answer respectfully and move on. You get me? So don't say we did, but our questions.
Bro, make I just say you say something.
Entertain us. Bro, let's be sincere.
Bro, you say something I want to repeat to you. You say na your own opinion be that. I didn't get it right to feel how you feel. Now so people will talk the talk with them talk based on what's in their watch and how they feel. Now so them talk and they get the right.
Everybody
opinion.
get right.
You understand? But the truth, you see 24 hours we inside that place. It's temperature check set with Bella on my tough. I go tell you that one, but the lace shoe, they cook, carry and come bed. Like they get 3 arguments in 9 weeks. I mean, I give them credit. I beg. But when I love her boy,
as a professor in the womanology.
I'm not professor, nothing. Let me go. Now street
I just want to say that. Like, everybody knows that this is the realest out. Do you know what I'm trying to say? And so many people have come out the house, and I feel like everybody was in the house, and they really know Bella and I's real relationship, and they've all had opportunities to speak on it and tell the truth. I think Dorian tried when she just stepped out. I've heard that here and there.
They don't give you. Did she talk on?
So honestly speaking, we were in the house. I don't know what's aired. I just
now because waiting to question what I was doing, I make you add code when you come inside studio that time.
No at all. Like it's just that I'm just shocked that my brother is doing this. I already was just thinking, okay, when Bella comes out, her and I would just tell everybody like the real truth. Do you know what I'm saying? But my bro, his bed was next to mine, so
you see everything.
Here, Alison and him, they're right here, so he knows everything. He saw everything.
Everything happened between you and Bella, they real and they unique.
Bro, that's my best friend. That's my baby.
Groovy. Let's go back to you.
Alpha.
So we just want to talk about somebody else for the house right now. Chichi. Yes. Because this week, Fina and the Chichi, they get 1 or 2. You understand? So when we say Fina, they talk say she feels say Chichi get highs for you, and as a guy, you know when woman like you. You understand? So for your 9 weeks in the house, you feel say Chichi give you any body language? Say, she get high for you.
As I come out, say as person go come out of the house now, I go begin the yetis. Now so my blessing now my guys they tell me say see make I go watch TV or say something they sup.
Yeah.
That kind of thing. Say person they talk, say person like me. And onto the whole finance Chichi matter. The thing be say obviously, and even if they come out say they go still ask them the same question. The thing be say actually at some point during the show, Fina be done hear me already. Say Chichi talk, say she like me. That kind of thing.
But you be like Chichi?
No. I don't register any interest in that. I know say people I don't register interest in that. Say people feel they think say maybe this guy they use women, they tumbo and all those kind of things. But no be waiting I can't show for to win the 100 million. You understand? But as things gonna happen with the. I think it's going to happen with the ladies. That one are just as part of waiting this up within the house. Okay. So obviously I no get any idea prior to that information we Fina give me. And on to say Chichi don't as Dejikon enter the house, Chichi and Dejikon they get close together before they can't become a team. They can't date each other. So as a guy man, I don't need to bring up all those kind of things because I get my own thing with Fina. Why I go to bring up matter we say don't go. You understand? So yeah.
Now we know say we not get amazing time inside the house. Yeah. Big platform, whether you like or not, Big Brother. Going there, spending 1 week alone, coming out now, major doings. You get me?
Yes,
so what you go say be your highlights now or the peak of your moment inside the house?
Na go video talk. Na 9 weeks. 9 weeks na the biggest highlight. Waiting this up now. People don't come out week 1, week 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I can't come out week 9. With these two amazing guys. Sheiks and MS. He choke. The three musketeers.
You see the three musketeers.
Now the baddest eviction way if you see for the history. She get. He shock everybody.
They in love.
He shock everybody. We be men. We do our things. We stand for our women. You understand? And obviously relationships good they misunderstood by different people. You understand? So obviously 9 weeks are the biggest highlight. Obviously the first highlight now say I enter the show, the first housemate, that one self too sweet me. When they do the level 1, the level 2 things, as we as they try evict me, myself I still there. I still there. They see my presence. I still they do my thing. Wager tax presentation, everything. Even the party self, the outfit. Someone a highlight, now massive highlight, but the biggest one now 9th week. And they possible without my family, they possible without my groovers, without my people. So much love and support to them.
Okay, Shags.
Big Brother on the platform just changing my life. I feel like that's just massive. The show's called Level Up. Every single one of us.
Even before you go, you don't popular. And now you tell us how police they hear you for a Koyi road now. Now, you're not sure you feel waka alone, again. Because the hailing will not double by now, right? Okay, so the platform, right?
Yeah, the level up is real. I'm just thankful to them. I think that's my biggest highlight. I met so many amazing people. You can see like what my brother's doing here. You can see what my other brother's doing here. These are really my people. Big Bella, my baby. I just feel like it's massive blessings.
Big Bella.
They really like. I feel like my life has really changed, and I feel that's the highlight for me.
Okay.
MS.
We did first big ups to Big Brother. The thing Big Brother do for me. Now the only thing where they find me that as I don't they do things. As I enter Big Brother, everybody just scar say, "Hey, Mrs. All of us." Like say, don't they work today? People they work for this country. We just not see. So now why like say Mrs. All of us? Like this, I want start company. I want build platform. We say people does it shine. Make you build more kings. People will say you could come be
so
all of us.
So you plan open dance?
I not be dance. I don't do work on production company before I enter house. So this one I want dabble into art sport. I follow Sheik's talk football. I play basketball. I know the entire basketball. See, brands they not fit chop and finish. The two will fit.
You
say it needs some kind of leadership. We need to build some kind of things, and it go take time. I want me where they wrong go. I did patient. I did ready for the work. Now hard work. They want that they want me. So
before
and coolest tribe. Groovy, calm down. You don't give your groove a shout out. Coolest tribe.
Now shoot do your tea. Do your tea.
And I shoot with the right on. So if I know cheat and I don't talk I don't fuck up. Now I don't let you.
No effort. on the radio.
No verse. I don't violate again. Me not verse. Forgive me. I be work in progress. Me not verse. I beg. Me not verse. I beg. All love, no hate. I beg. If I see truth, I know I'll switch shut up. I got talk on. I beg. I know not the verse. I the talk on checks. More now the truth. Now they talk. I beg. Me not let me talk truth. Now truth. Now we ride on. Not truth.
You talk the truth. You
die.
You don't talk the truth. You die.
Sometimes it will bitter, but we gotta talk the truth.
You swallow.
I beg. We gotta talk on. I beg.
If you want to talk something,
thank you. Your hand. You get
to your guys.
MS, you go allow me make I talk.
See, you don't allow.
You get your space now. Talk your talk.
So like give you a talk. Big shout out to my people everywhere where they listen. Just to follow up on what MS they talk. Now our guy be the checks. Now our guy, now our man. We deal with him for 9 weeks. You see how they go on top this whole relationship matter. Me kuna free am. You understand? This na real person, genuine person with a big heart. You understand? I know say we go dey misunderstood because of say we dey into relationship, but man, make una free the matter. Relationship, you get, guys, they get up and down, they get up and down. Sure, you get. So I bet make una free us on top this matter concerning this relationship. We don't dey outside the house. A lot of things now go to begin the up. We won't focus on ourselves as brands. We won't focus on our things. We go to happen for outside the house. You understand? So I beg.
Okay.
Make una give us that love and support. We una don't they give us for inside the show. Make una ready time outside the show. So big love to everybody, and love and life.
Okay, just before now come up, because I be 3 musketeers and those when really experience love inside the house, I just be listening and they the right position to answer this question. You get me? And I hope say we not go try paint and the other way. All of us know in our adults, big brother carry enter the house. So because in our adults, big brother provide condoms. You get me? So I beg from our heart to heart right now. Who don't use the highest number of condoms? They ask every aspect when they come before now, and they give me answers. They give me name, but don't jot and down. So I want to compare now who they lie or not they lie. So who use the highest number of condom?
Me, I don't know. I don't know who use condom. I don't know who use condom. I don't know. You know, say now only MS now I collect of us. Maybe you go ask and now that they drop all those things for you. Go ask maybe if anybody don't use, but from our side though.
You said no use. Yeah, you speak for other people.
No, I know use. I know even see one collect.
So you don't protect yourself.
I say I know use. I know use.
Nah, they talk. That means you not protect yourself. Why?
Waiting I protect myself for. We be say I no go. Waiting at no be waiting the boy call big brother call do. Sure you get. So me I know use and I don't know about anybody.
Okay.
We don't say good to talk anything.
Talk to me. Okay. I never know if you my guy, but I believe say you my guy. Talk to me. Who is the highest number?
Choke. I don't know. You know what's in this up, man. The people that were doing stuff in the house.
Yeah.
We actually didn't know in the house. When we came outside is when we know that this one enact this one. We didn't know a lot of stuff. So genuinely speaking, we didn't know in the house. I mean personally with my best friend Big Bella, we said we were gonna wait till after the show.
Wow!
Yeah, bro. So yeah, man.
Wow! They don't carry my give MS. MS go talk through it.
Wahala.
MS not they like
wahala. As I enter house, as I see that condom, I first read them based on say plan and say to scatter ground. Then put my king stop. Say anybody will carry come, you go call. But guess what? This idiot. They go sheep. They go say standard. All the women go they talk say before you touch, you guys direct energy. I talk on now. You know they want no parish. People see they follow me. They tell say they get right parish. I call they call Chomsy. My para because plan and say now open space. They even open bathroom. Maybe I say make everything they stop. You know understand? But it not stop like that. And I happy say not stop like because I respect the things.
So the people say now Sheiks and Bella said that standard of weight for my level. Yes. I know why they play this idiot. That's why they play that together.
Sheiks set up for my level. This idiot set up for their own level. See all the women when they ask say because anytime they ask Sheiks we they feel for house. Sheiks is not only Bella. They say second choice is not Bella. Third choice not. I think you mad. You know guys. You don't see chop the time. You don't see chop the nyash. You don't see nyash.
So last time they talk that we say you be go enjoy yourself. But as Sheiks and these boys say some standard of say they don't want part.
Work. Now we say we direct. I can't because we get two sides. We feel run a mess.
You're outside right now. Alison is outside too. You get me?
Yeah.
And the Sheiks need to wait a little while before you come outside.
Fina too. You go need to wait a little while.
We go wait.
You sure say you go wait.
And if you stop, nobody go know till they stop.
Jury.
The 3 basketers now choke us. And of course, we wish you the best with this platform where we say Big Brother don't give una. So before you go now, which song you want make we see una off with?
Oh, just your social media. So,
your social media handle
for
first,
those
right?
who follow up your fan base, they continue to grow. Your social media handle.
I'm on Hermes at Hermes ELA. Naija for everywhere: Twitter, Instagram, TikTok at Hermes ELA.
Hermes ELA.
Hermes ELA. That's HERMESIYELE, and that's it. ELA.
Okay, chef.
I'm Sheikh Zolu everywhere.
Chef.
SHEGGZOLU. My Instagram got taken down, so we got a backup page. That's Sheikh Olushemo. SHEGGZOLUSEMO.
Okay.
Groovy.
My own at Groovy Mono on Instagram, on Twitter, even on TikTok, all social media platforms at Groovy Mono, GROOVY. That's Groovy then MONO. We get fan page and other things. Much love to everybody. Much love to the Groovers. Big love to Naija FM for hosting the 3 Musketeers. It's a choke. He choke.
You understand? This name, I remember to pay me.
Which song you want me to sign out with? I hear say you like Ashake.
So Ashake will be big success. So now on top of this new fan level of popularity, level of fame, level of more money coming in.
Yes.
And say the gifts when shares already received, not just the testing. The test of the iceberg, more they come for everybody. Because our fan base actually choke actually. Yeah. So signing out, Omokbe, right? Omokbe, okay? Ashake.
Morona. You get on top the original Naija FM 102.7. We radio.